Right, welcome to our week 2 polyatomic ion, and that is going to be sulfate. For sulfate, its polyatomic ion formula is sulfur, capital S, oxygen, capital O, 4 oxygen, so a subscript 4, and this structure is going to take in 2 electrons. So it's an anion with 2 electrons being brought into it. That is its formula. So on your grid sheet, if you go to your polyatomic ion grid sheet where it says sulfate, you can write this formula in. Its Lewis electron dot structure is going to be a little bit similar to what you've seen before in the fact that everything gets an octet. All the oxygens are going to get 8 electrons, and the sulfur is going to get 8 electrons. And the other thing that's similar is the single item goes right in the middle. So sulfur will be in the middle. It's going to be surrounded by oxygen. Try to keep those symmetrical and neat just for the picture's sake of the leads. And then we create our octets. So one line represents a pair of bonded electrons, so there's 2 there. 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sulfur now has 4 oxygens, see them all. Sulfur in the middle. Everything has got an octet. And visually, you don't need to draw this yourself, but for the learning, just recognize, pick any 2 dots, I don't care which, and just visualize those coming from the outside world. Another element from the outside. So we have to tell the reader that this is not neutral, that this entire structure brought in how many? 2. And what are those dots? Electrons. So we just write a -4 electron there. So that is the leads. And that is the formula for our polyatomic ion of the week, sulfate.